Definitely one that wants to stay close to you.
Clear, Belle. Clara. 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 Hi, baby. Come on, I'm betting on you to be smart. Come here.
Well, I think she is smart.
You learned that in 2 hours.
Yeah, because she started following me immediately. Clap my hands, she came. Didn't you? Come here. Come here, Claire.
Yeah, she's doing good at that whole coming thing.
Come on, get up here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Claire. Come on. Come on.
Yeah, that's working out good.